start. The appellant number 1 had filed the application for the query lease earlier and his case was to have precedence over that of respondent number 4 merely because the respondent number 4 had purchased a SIG unit which was not functional. Priority under Rule 6 sub Rule 6 was not available to it. It was submitted that no reasons were indicated as to why and under what circumstances respondent number 4 could have priority vis-a-vis appellant number 1. In response, Learned Counsel for the State and respondent number 4 submitted that the crucial expression in sub Rule 6 of Rule 6 is who has already set up an industry. Undisputedly, the unit which was taken over by respondent number 4 was engaged in the processing of the concerned minor mineral. Therefore, rightly the government decided to give priority to respondent number 4. It was further submitted that appellant number 1 has not even established that it was covered by Rule 6 and therefore was considered to be a person who belonged to the residual category. On a reading of the language of Rule 6, it is clear that 3 types of precedence priority are embodied in the provision. First is a normal case where the application which has been received earlier is given precedence over the later application. An exception is carved out in sub Rule 5 to the effect that if the state government is of the opinion that in the interest of minor mineral department it is necessary to do so, it may for reasons to be recorded in writing grant query lease in presence to the applications made earlier. Sub Rule 6 deals with another category of priority. In the present case, Sub Rule 6 does not have much relevance. Sub Rule 6 carves out a category of applicants who have applied for minor minerals of the enumerated categories, that is, all types of rocks used for industrial or export purposes, including limestones. The present case relates to priority as provided in the said sub-rule. It provides for priority to a person who has already set up an industry for processing of such minor minerals. It is to be noted that in a case covered by sub Rule 5, the state government has to objectively assess as to whether in the interest of mineral development preference is given to a person, though he made the application later. In such a case, the government's opinion that in the interest of mineral development it is necessary to do so obviously has an objective angle involved and therefore there is necessity to record reasons. So far as sub Rule 6 is concerned, there is no requirement indicated to record persons. The fact that priority is given to a person who has already set up an industry is itself the reason for giving priority. Therefore, the enumeration of the order of priority is itself the reason inbuilt in the process of consideration of the applications.